Alright, so 4th of July, and we're heading right now to meet up with another Jeep group. We're going up past Walhalla to some Hillbilly Festival. Should be a lot of fun today. Shoot a little vlog with this.
I'm recording.
Ah!
See if I can see.
I don't think it'll stay.
Oh, it'll. Maybe?
No.
No?
It's too heavy.
I don't think it's too heavy. I don't know. What we got? Let's see if I can. Well, if I can get this to flip around, then I can do that.
It won't stay.
Well, we got a little monopod action going on then. We're recording.
Alright, so Electric City Jeepers, we're running up to Seneca right now, and then on up to Mountain Rest for the Hillbilly Festival. We'll have a lot of fun today. We're vlogging. I don't mind the music.
Well, you want to shoot you don't want to get some action of everyone rolling out.
Time for breakfast!
Well, they're coming in. We're coming at the exit. Everyone's pulling in. Like, maybe a photo, but like the video?
I don't know. Cold gravy, hot bow rounds.
Got that little happy medium.
Yeah.
You get some ketchup back. Thank you.
Good. Alright. Yeah, so after a somewhat uninspiring breakfast, we're heading up to Mountain Rest for the Hillbilly Festival. And we're just cruising. here. Oh wait, I forgot. The chirp chirp. Roaming around.
Yeah, so the bathrooms are usually over there.
Didn't have mass at all.
It was like and he said he only paid like $35 for it. His was, they were like in a little swing thing, and it was made out of cloth, and they were just swinging. I said, oh no, I want one of them.
Oh, the zero gravity chairs.
Yeah, it was like in a swing. Have you seen it? And it swung. Oh, the kids right next to us that was in the other Jeep, like when we was at the car show, they had them behind them. You remember? And it was like, those are, did you see it?
Great.
Yeah. This one rocks, but this one also has some sunshade. So that's really homemade ice cream. And then over there they'll have hot dog plates, chicken plates, and then the church on the side they sell their cakes, their local cakes, and their cakes are really good. Yeah, and then this is usually where the animals are, and then there's vendors there. There's the bathrooms. It's really fun. You'll like it.